Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HubSpot CRM for lead tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the HubSpot website by entering www.hubspot.com. Once on the home page, look for the Get Started Free option and click on it. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. Make sure your password meets the specified security requirements. After completing the form, click the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from HubSpot. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, you may be prompted to provide additional information about yourself and your business. Complete the fields regarding your company name, size, and industry. Select your preferences for product features that you are interested in. After you've filled in all necessary information, click Continue. You will then be taken to the HubSpot dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. From the dashboard, navigate to the Contacts section. Click on Contacts and then select Create Contact to add a new lead. Enter the required details for the lead, such as name, email, and phone number. Make sure to fill in any relevant notes or additional properties. Once you've entered all information, click Save to store the new lead. To track leads effectively, consider using tags or custom properties. Set up additional tools or integrations as needed for your lead tracking process. Explore the reporting features of HubSpot to gain insights on lead activity. Utilize the Tasks feature to set reminders or follow-ups for each lead. Regularly check the dashboard to monitor your lead pipeline and conversions. Make adjustments to your lead tracking strategy based on the insights you gather. As you become more familiar with HubSpot, explore advanced functionalities for enhanced tracking. This completes your registration and initial setup with HubSpot CRM for lead tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.